losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Alright you guys, welcome back. It's day number 2. We're gonna go eat right now, get some breakfast, some delicious breakfast. They think it's called the Egg House. Let's go check what we can find. Monica here with me, and the family's already on their way. So let's go see what the rest of the trip has for us. See what we can get into, see what kind of bomb food we can try out while we're out here. And yeah, let's go. Alright you guys, so we're in. Starting off with the vanilla French coffee, or French vanilla coffee, my bad. Yeah, delicious coffee cake. How is it?
Too good.
Too good?
We need one at home. I wonder how they make it because it's like...
Fire. Alright you guys, so I got my plate first. I got the cinnamon roll French toast. Looking delicious, cream cheese on top. Oh yeah.
I sure
Country
do.
fried steak is gonna be fire right
Yes,
here.
I do.
Sandwich? What kind of sandwich is that, Mom?
Steak sandwich.
Steak sandwich? Fire. What kind of sandwich you got, Lise?
Club sandwich.
Club sandwich? Nice. Alright you guys, all done. Super full. How you feeling? Full. I'm stuffed. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright guys, so this is the restaurant we just came out of, Mo's Egg House. I definitely recommend it, 10 out of 10. Delicious food. I said that's the feeling when you leave. Yeah.
I'm full now.
Oh, same. I mean, here we have the menu, you guys can check it out really fast. Something quick, but yeah, if you're ever in the area, definitely a place that you need to stop by and grab something to eat. Alright you guys, I don't know the name of this river actually. We'll see if we can figure it out in a second, but check this out. Beautiful. How you liking it so far?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool?
A little cold, but I love it.
The area?
It's nice. I like the mountains. Everything's pretty green.
Super green.
Pretty tree.
Leaving me, you guys. Alright you guys, we're trying to find the waterfall real quick, but the road is closed where the car would have gone down, so we're kind of hiking down the mountain. You guys can see the river here and some rock for waters down there. Really beautiful, and just goes all the way through there. Alright, you guys, I'm running back to the car so I can get everyone else set down. And then we're gonna try to find that waterfall. That way. Let's go. Alright, you party animals, get off. Pretty big rock, right? Man, look at this. Beautiful. Over there you can see where the waterfalls are falling. So we're gonna go over that way right now in just a second. We're hiking that way. But let's go. Super sick. You guys, I cannot believe how beautiful this place is. Like, there's times where I'll drive like 45 minutes from home just to go be able to see some mountains, some curvy roads and stuff like that. And this whole place just looks like Big Bear, Julian, like the best parts of it and everything. So it's really cool. I can't even imagine, like, there's so many rivers here and so much to do. Like summer is probably lit out here. Hey guys, check this out. This is the top where the waterfall's at. I'm on top of this rock, but look at that. That's glaciers right here. That circle right there, that's ice from all the cold water. Ooh, I'm gonna sit right here. Yeah, nice. Got a nice view. I don't know if you guys can see through the water, but this thing's pretty deep, pretty quick. Let's get out of here. Guys, we made it up from that humongous hike up. Check out the houses up there, like mansions. I don't know if you can see them, but I'll zoom in, try to get some for you. Woo. That's tough. Guys, so we're at Sister City. It's like a small downtown. Sister Saloon. Check out these ice patches still, and it's hot right now compared to like winter time, but the ice still survives. Bicycle Sisters Country, Oregon Scenic Bikeways. So you guys can check it out. Go ahead and pause that for you for a few seconds. Enjoy. We're staying in Redmond.
We're staying in Sisters.
No, we staying in Redmond. Right now we're in Sisters. Yesterday we went to Smith Rock.
Vamos a ir a Bend también.
And we're going to Bend later. Right here at me. Oh. Check out the snow, you guys.
A few moments later.
Got a baby river. You're throwing snowballs at Tita? You're gonna get you, girl! I would throw snowballs too, but it's too damn cold. My hands are gonna freeze. Alright, you guys, you have to watch out for yellow snow and poop on the ground.
What is that?
Over here making snow angels. Bro, my feet. The snow's gonna go through my shoe because it's like mesh.
I'm gonna
Yeah, it is. It's hella deep. Got you, girl. Ah. All right, you guys. My foot went through this hole right here.
Oh my god.
It's like muddy and whatnot. All of that just went through my shoe. Yeah. Ah, she's giving me a snowball. Oh. You enjoying your snow, Angel? Yeah, you boys know what's good. So, right now we're on a 2.5 mile hike through the snow that way. And we're trying to get to another scenic view. Maybe a waterfall? There's waterfalls? Yeah, there's waterfalls out there, so we'll see what there is. The river's running on this side right there, so it's really, really nice. Probably gonna look even better once we get closer. Let's go. Wow. I have to be careful because I don't know what's ledge and what's not ledge, but check this out. You would never see anything like this in California. Ever. You guys, I gotta go. We're about a third of the way in, you guys. Oh, man. How you guys feeling?
Cold.
Cold? How you feeling, Violet?
No.
How you feeling?
Good, I guess.
Good, you guess? Well, I'm feeling great. Temperature is perfect. It's not even that cold. I can actually take this sweater off if I need to. I don't want to be carrying it. So it's actually kind of weird because it's colder where they live and there's no snow there. And then here there's a ton of snow, icy everywhere. And it's pretty warm. Also, we've been walking for a minute, so our bodies are kind of heated up by now. But yeah. You guys, we've been hiking for a little while. We're still not to the waterfall quite yet. Someone said it was about half a mile ago, so we can't be too far. But yeah, check out these mountains. This one too. You guys can see the river flowing down there. I think we're kind of close. We'll see right now. This is an adventure for sure. I believe the whole hike is about 2.5 miles. We've been walking for about 20-30 minutes. You tired?
No.
Tumalo Creek. All right, you guys, so we're walking over the bridge at this moment. Ooh. Fresh water right there, tell you what. All right, you guys, I think we made it. Woo! Yeah, I'm sliding that we're over here, but we are here. Tumalo Creek in Bend, Oregon. Stuff about the waterfall, Tumalo Creek watershed. Check this out. So, down here is the little river flowing by, and it goes up, 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 up. And there's that beautiful waterfall. Wow, dude, it's amazing. So yeah, we finally made it to one of the scenic views. Apparently there's another view that goes up, and then that takes you pretty close to the waterfall, or like behind it somewhere. We're already pretty tired on this first one, so I don't know if we're gonna go up, but yeah, beautiful. All right, you guys, so we're walking back to the car, another 2.5 mile hike, and I keep slipping everywhere. Got like the worst shoes for this, you guys. But yeah, that was a ton of fun. Really cool views. Ton of falls. Let's go. Like 20-30 minutes and we're still on the way back to the car. We're tired, we're hungry, it's getting colder because the sun's going down. But check out this amazing view. We've been walking this for like, yeah, wow. They found the car. Woo.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic.
All right, you guys, so it's been a 30-minute drive or so to get back to Redmond from Bend, and we are all pooped, to say the least. We're gonna grab some quick Mexican food because, you know, I'm Mexican, so you know we love this stuff. Yeah. All right, you guys, we got our food. Carne asada fries, sour cream, cheese, you know, that fire. We're gonna have some hot sauce right now and some ketchup. We got torta jamon too. Hell yeah. All right, you guys, food's gone. That was delicious. 10 out of 10. You guys gotta come visit. Everyone's pooped, tired, and we're out for today. Tomorrow's another adventure. So this will finish the day too. Peace, you guys.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes.